Hello viewers, how are you? Breaking the wall of common sense. This is Censor Stream, and I will deliver the news about the Israel-Iran war. Upon learning that Iran refused to surrender, Israel launched airstrikes near Tehran. The Israeli military says that since Friday they have bombed and destroyed more than 1,100 targets in Iran. This is Tehran. The Israeli military is targeting downtown Tehran and carrying out airstrikes. They have also targeted the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps airport. The Israeli military has focused its attacks on airports and missile bases in Tehran, causing white smoke to rise from the city. You can't see a single vehicle on this road. That's because all the citizens who lived in Tehran have evacuated to other places. Tehran has turned into a ghost city. The Israeli military has launched airstrikes in Karaj, a city in western Iran. This photo was taken recently over the Golan Plateau. An aircraft resembling the United States B-21 bomber was captured on camera, sparking controversy. While its identity remains unclear, some speculate it might be Israel's latest drone. The Israeli military has released footage of the destruction of an Iranian Cobra helicopter. The Cobra helicopter, stationed at a military base, explodes instantly. This photo shows Mossad preparing a spike missile for sabotage operations inside Iran. Mossad used Starlink to remotely launch the spike missile over the internet. Iranian police discovered a truck carrying Mossad agents' suicide drones. Iran's supreme leader, Khamenei, announced the military is now on high alert. He also stated that Israel has made a grave mistake and must pay a corresponding price. He also stated that negotiations are impossible since Israel began its attack. Iran's supreme leader, Khamenei, previously responded to United States President Trump's demand for unconditional surrender by stating that he would not surrender, clearly expressing his refusal to accept unconditional surrender. He declared they would stand against Israel and the United States, stating that United States military intervention would cause America irreparable losses. The Israeli foreign minister declared that operations in Iran would continue until their objectives were achieved, and that negotiations with Iran were impossible. Israel stated that attacking Iran's nuclear facilities is their top priority, not regime change. Russia warned the United States not to provide or even consider providing military support to Israel. They stated that United States support for Israel could fundamentally destabilize the Middle East. The United Kingdom has sent more aircraft to the Middle East to reduce regional tensions. They stated that the rapidly changing situation in the Middle East is causing serious concern. That concludes the video.